Hi everyone, I'm just here with a quick message. I want you to know that despite all you're going through, despite your ups, your downs, your struggles, God never fails. He will never fail. You will not lose that battle. You will come out victorious. I'm here to tell you, keep holding on to God. Keep on trusting God because He will come through for you. I love Psalm 100 as well as Psalm 27. I love Psalm 27, verse 14. And verse 14 says, "Wait upon the Lord, be of good courage, and He shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. The battle is not for the swift, but it's for those who will endure." So my encouraging words to you right now: trust the process. Hold on to God and push. The acronym PUSH. Pray until something happens. Decide to do this as a video. I'm at work on my water break, and I could be a no helicopter. Everybody won't pass. But I don't know what you're going through. We're going through some really rough times right now, right? But I can tell you, and I can give you assurance that I don't know what you're going through. You don't know what I'm going through. But I want to tell you, I know who can get us through it. Let us pray together. Let us hold on together. And let us remember, we can do all things through who? Christ, who strengthens us. He will strengthen you. He will strengthen me. He will be there, and He's right on time. This is your girl Nisha, walking in divine purpose. Have a wonderful day, night, morning. Bye-bye.